Easy now, Nellie. We've been through this before. It doesn't hurt a bit. There. That wasn't so bad now, was it, Nellie?
Hey, Doc! I need you in here. This one needs a goodnight kiss.
Hey guys, Alex from NerkoYT here, and welcome to Blackwell's Asylum. This is a little different from what I've been doing on my channel, but today, or for now, I'm going to be playing a solo horror game that I actually found online. Like, I was feeling a little bit, like, on the, like, edgy, like, well, not edgy, but how do I explain this? Like, I wanted to play a horror game for you guys, and see how well it goes. Like, I've been watching a lot of horror games and stuff on YouTube, and I decided, hey, why not try to make one on my channel? So I am playing Blackwell's Asylum. I don't know much about it at all. All I know is that I am playing as a woman. I'm not sure what her name is or what she's even doing here, but I'm in an asylum and I have to try to escape. And apparently it's got a really Amnesia type feel, which I used to watch a whole bunch, like, a long time ago. So why not give this a go? And apparently there's a warden that we have to escape as well, kind of like the monster in Amnesia, if you haven't if you've seen that, but not this. So yeah, let's hop right into this. Oh gosh, what's with the walls? Apparently they drugged me with something. I have no idea what it was, but jeez, what is with these walls? Wait, is it supposed to be like that, or is it the drug? If it's supposed to be like this and not the drugs, then these guys have some, like, weird designs. Shift to run. Alright, I probably don't want to run. I don't know much about this game. I haven't watched any tutorials, gameplay, or anything of it. So I'm just hopping into this blindfolded. What's in here? Hello? Hey, that kind of looks like a face. Do you see that? Some doors are locked. Oh, thanks, Smarty Pants. Thanks, Captain Obvious. That really helped. Some doors are locked. Do I have to run all the way down? You make more noise when you run. Whoa! That's so cool. I didn't know that. Look, there's another face. Why are they making faces in here? Some doors are locked. Thanks. Once again, Captain Obvious. Holy cow, the movement is really weird on this game. Alright, what's down here? Control to sneak? Why do I want to sneak? Why am I supposed to sneak? Huh, game? Or are you just telling me that just to get me on edge? Ah, it's fine. Someone's probably just got jump scared in the other room. Whew. What's with that? Door hinges don't make that noise. Come on, man. Alright. Is this where the lady screamed? You're quite loud, aren't you? Hello? Oh, we can peek. Kind of like in Amnesia. So it's Q and E to peek. Hello? Anyone home? My name's Alex. Jeez, these walls are giving me a headache. What's this for? Left mouse button. But am I... Hello? When you see a bright... Press space when I see a bright ring. Alright, okay. That's cool. So when you hide, you have to control your breathing as well. That's cool. That's something that wasn't in Amnesia that I've seen. What's this right here? Hello? Hello, good sir. You look like another... You look like a doorbell, actually. It's a light. Ouch. No, please. Turn it off. Alright. Hello? I'm home. Anything around here? Why is there just... Why is there... What the... Oh, gosh. Why is there a door that leads into a hallway with nothing to another door? It's not right. They gotta put something here. Leaving doors open can divert... Warden? Divert? Hello? Anybody home? Okay. What's in here? Can I open this? Click, click, clickety click. No? Alright. I'm just exploring right now. Oh, we can hide under these as well? So, anything that's glowing green, I guess we can hide under. That's cool. Such as this as well. Is this another light? Is it gonna blind me again? Gosh darn it! No, I should probably leave those off. Alright, yeah. There we go. Thank you. I want to open this. Hello? I have a feeling a warden's gonna come up. What is that? Is that a jail cell? I thought this was an asylum. Jeez. Alright. Oh gosh. My game freezed for a second. It's all good though. Anything in here? What was that light? Gosh darn it. Those doorknobs.
Hey,
oh gosh.
You.
No, I'm not here. I'm not here. No. Close that. I want to hide under here. Hide. Oh gosh. He saw me, didn't he? Is he that blind? Am I zero opacity as well in this game? Are Warden? Hello? Are you serious? Did I really lose you in just that tiny little hallway? I feel like right when I'm gonna crawl out, he's gonna open that door. I really have a feeling about that. What should I do? I want to crawl out and see what's happening. What's keeping him so long? Why you gotta do that to me? I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna crawl out and he's gonna open that door. No, nuh-uh, no, keeping my hands off it. Nope, not gonna touch it. I'm telling you, that's gonna happen. Oh gosh. Alright. I don't even know what happens when you get caught. Do they kill me? Do they send me back to my room? Do they give me a timeout? Say bad? Tell me I'm bad? My dog's so whining. No. Hello? Gosh, it's hard to walk sideways and lean at the same time. You better not. Warden. Warden, where are you? Oh gosh. Oh gosh, why is it getting a little laggy? Ooh, what's that? Was that just my imagination? Oh gosh, this game is really trippy. Jeez Louise. Alright, I guess I'll make my way out here slowly. Where did the warden go? What? Why'd he just ditch the scene? What's in here? Oh, I'm able to look around. What's that? What's that noise? What the heck? This wasn't here before. Where am I? What's this? It's a map. A map, a map. Oh. I am there. Do you guys hear those footsteps? Or is it just... I have a feel. Oh gosh, me climbing under the bed gives me the creeps. I feel like when I'm climbing under bed, that noise just sounds like someone's opening a door. But this wasn't here before. Where'd this come from? It was like a secret teleportation thing. Steam! Hey, I'm getting spammed on Steam. Thanks, man. 10 out of 10. Alright. Well, I guess I better explore a little bit more, I guess. I actually want to check out this map, so if I'm there, but this isn't, I'm confused. I should, oh, I'm in, I was gonna be like, I'm right there, but you guys can't see where I'm pointing, so I'm in that room right there, apparently. So if I step out that door, that's where that dot's gonna be. So do I want to head to chamber 1 or 2? Alright. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. My mom says to choose that room. Alright, we're going with number 2, guys. Number 2 it is. Can you make any more noise, please? Thank you. Ooh, I didn't mean to. Hello? Oh gosh, the sensitivity is so high. Jeez, and I can't change anything about it. Alright, I guess I'm heading to 2 first. What's that? What's that? No, I don't. What's that? Oh, oh gosh! No, yo, sensitivity!
Who's there?
Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Control the breathing. Oh gosh! Where is he?
Who's there?
I'm not here. Go away. Everything's
Hello?
fine. Please. No one's go. Oh gosh. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's him. No, go away. Go away. Nope, nope. Go. Go. I'm not here. I'm not. Oh gosh. Can I just spam spacebar? I'm not. Go away. Go away, sir. Go. Go! I'm not here. What are you still doing here? What are those? No. 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 I'm not here. No. 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 Go. Go. Yeah. No, it... Oh, gosh. Ouch. He punctured me with his needle. Those noises couldn't get any worse. Jeez. Did I restart at all? Did I restart all the way back? I think I'm in a different room. I'm not sure. Everything just wobbly and different. I can't tell because I'm on drugs. Don't do drugs, kids. This is what'll happen to you. Alright, I think he left. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna end this off here. That was scary. Like, I did not expect that loud noise to be coming from him. And then the I usually play on low sensitivity, so when I just do this, it made me do like a 360, and I couldn't tell where I was going. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe for more future content. I most likely will be posting next one later. I'm not sure when, but this seems really cool. I mean, it's really trippy with all the walls and stuff, but that's what happens when you do drugs. So yeah, I mean, I don't talk from experience, please. Don't get me wrong, please. Alright, but he's still walking around out there, so I gotta end this off. Peace, guys. See you later. Oh gosh!